What is going on, guys? It is ZDB Shoes back for yet another video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Nike Free Trainers by Matthew M. Williams. And these shoes actually have a Vibram rubber sole. Pretty neat shoe. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. So as you can see, I still have it in the shipping box. Haven't even taken it out of the shipping box yet. I'm gonna open it up here with my alright, so alright, so here's the box. Pretty standard Nike box, or not standard actually, it's pretty nice. And you see you've got the MMW for Matthew M. Williams on the outside. Let's see, box slides open like this, pretty neat. Got the paper in there with what it says. It says, "We train with patience. Training is an incremental improvement. It is a ritual of solidarity and self-discipline." So there you go. So like I said, it's got this the Vibram sole right here. Feels really good, really quality. And then on the other side of the midsole right here, it kind of says his name and MMW 002 2019, kind of some standard stuff. On the front here, you've kind of got this toe cap with the rubber kind of seeping into it. And then we've got this strap up here towards the front of the shoe, and the strap at the top right here as well. And you can see the laces under the strap. Got a pull tab on the back. Here's kind of what the bottom looks like. And the shoe is a trainer, so I would imagine you could use these to run in, work out in, maybe even trail run in, because if you check out the bottom, they look really almost like a Chaco. I don't know if you guys wear Chacos, but yeah, guys, this is a really nice shoe. I don't really see any production errors on it. It's got around like the midsole right here, or close to the upper, it's kind of got some, I guess it's leatherish material, but also kind of glossy. So, and then finally we have up towards the top, we have this zipper, I guess for putting it on, like easily putting it on and taking it off. So overall, a pretty nice shoe. What I wanted to say about this shoe specifically, I see a trend of shoes kind of turning into this. The way I would describe this shoe is kind of like a space shoe, like a sock shoe with like a space feel, kind of like the Tom Sachs Nikes that came out not too long ago. I don't know if you guys saw those, but those are really hyped, and I think they went for, you know, a good bit of money, and still going for a good bit of money on StockX. These weren't as hyped, like in fact they were a lot less hyped, but I kind of see a trend of a lot of shoes going like this, you know, ever since Balenciaga did their the speed runners, or whatever they're called, the complete sock shoes. A lot of different shoe companies have been trying to emulate that. And then you've also had kind of this like spacey vibe with shoes recently, and this is kind of like a mix between those two. So yeah, guys, it's a pretty neat shoe. And I'm actually, as I'm looking at it right here, I'm seeing that these straps can kind of be so yeah, that's pretty neat, guys. So you can actually take this out. And where I was going with the whole there's another colorway to this, is that basically you could buy the other pair, which would be a lot of money because these are $325 retail. You buy the other pair and swap out the rubber bottoms, so it looks like they come off. That's pretty neat. And looking at them right now, I actually would probably wear these without that. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but I mean, it looks like you can. I actually might even wear these without the bottoms, because these look pretty dope without the bottoms, without those bottom soles. You know, it's just got like a normal kind of, yeah, I actually didn't even know that about these shoes before I got them, but I was planning on turning around and flipping them right on StockX or Goat or something, but which I might still do. But anyway, yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on this shoe, and let me know your thoughts on kind of the whole sock space shoe vibe, where it's going, and things like that. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, guys, is it comes with this sick bag that I imagine you can either use to carry your shoes in, or just, you know, do whatever you want with it. It's got this zipper on the front, pretty nice, and it says MMW right there. Now on the back, it's got kind of, it looks like, what's it say? Yeah, it says Matthew M. Williams Training Series 2, and it's got all of his, it looks like the Nike style codes for maybe, I guess, all the shoes that this guy, Matthew M. Williams, designed. But this is a really nice bag, guys. It feels really quality. So just a nice addition to these shoes. Also, another thing I wanted to mention that I was just realizing as I packed the shoes up is that they do come with extra laces. So they come with a white and red lace additions, which is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll be coming at you with more content soon. See you guys.